Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I want to talk about the shifters, Downtube shifters, friction shifters. And while they're reliable, I want to talk about two issues that they have trouble with. So the first one that I noticed when I work with them, this thing always becomes apparent. You see this thing over here? It controls this kind of bolt. It controls how loose they are. So what happens is that if you use your bike too often, or if it's exposed outside, this shifter will get loose, and that's one of the issues. I see them come quite loose. In this particular case, this one is just a fine. Okay, so however, if you do come across one that is loose, this is what I like to tighten. So this is the bolt, and you want to tighten this quite tightly so you don't get that freely moving shifter. So that is the problem number one. The problem number two is that, for example, too notchy or too tight shifter. So what I usually like to test, if I go over here by rule of thumb, if it's fine, I should be able to push it back with two fingers, and I should be able to push at the front with my thumb. That is usually how things should be with this one and how I like it. However, if you notice that the shifter is a little notchy, what I like to do, I like to put some park tool. You can use some W40, and then here you go. Just over here, you're gonna apply just a drop. See, I applied of the one drop of a CL1 park tool lube, and let us just see any difference. Okay, pretty fine, you see. So this is one solution that you can use, that you can try. If you don't properly, what you should do, you should reassemble these two and regrease them. However, you can try your luck with some park tool lube and then see how the shifter performs. So again, these are the two issues that I see. It's either too loose, where this bolt would tighten up your friction shifter, or it's either too notchy or too tight, and that is the solution by applying some lube or fully regreasing the shifters to fix your problem. Hope you found this interesting. Give it a like, a thumbs up, and share if you found this useful, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.